big bag of dirt so we can pot up our cactus, and we're taking a look at everything else they have here in the shade department. We have hydrangea, osmanthus, all kinds of beautiful fragrant plants. We're just taking a look at these for now. So we'll be back planting up our cactus in just a minute. Hey, we're gonna pot up these succulents we got at the Moorten Botanical Garden. We're planting up succulents, so we want a really loose soil, starting with just regular potting soil. Try to avoid potting soils that have a wetting agent, especially when you're potting up succulents. They might keep a little too much water in the roots. So we're gonna start with a regular potting soil, and we're gonna add a whole bunch of pumice. Volcanic rock. Makes the soil nice and airy. Water drains right out. So we're almost going to do 50-50. 70-30. Soil ready. Now I have these two darling little pots. I'm going to put these guys in. This way. Okay. We'll start with this fishhook cactus. Those guys will get you. So when you're potting up succulents, cactus, if they're too big to hold, you can wrap them in newspaper, wrap them up in a piece of cardboard, and that'll stop you from getting stabbed. But this guy is so small. Soil at the bottom to break up a little fresh soil, just a layer in the bottom of the pot. Tuck it in and see if we can get him. Now, got a little toothpick. Tuck in his roots. Tuck everybody in. Now, very carefully, just going to put a little bit of soil around the sides. Tuck it in. Do the other side. We'll scoop up these parts that we dropped. Tuck them in. Careful of the spines. Okay, now we're gonna pot up this Haworthia. I was looking a little while ago. I found this little tiny baby. So we're gonna get this guy out of the pot. We're gonna clean off all the dirt and just pull this little guy right off the side. There he is, a little tiny root. First thing, I'm gonna put him in this little tiny pot. Okay, soil tucked right in. Littlest Haworthia in the world. Just a couple of nuggets right around the side. This guy right off to the side, and a nice big handful right on all sides. A little bit more. This part will get all filled in. To make it fancy, got a little bit fancy polished rocks. Now they call these a tumbled semi-precious gemstone. Meh, might just be colored glass. Anyway, we're gonna pick a few. Put the rest away for another day. Here we go, guys.